Hey guys, how are you? We are back with another video. We're going to jump right in as we've been doing all week. I hope you've been catching my videos. I'm so thankful that you're following me on this journey. But today, I'm going to attempt to make a video that I was trying to make for 3 days last week. I tried really hard. Is this Canva? Anyway. What I want to show you is how to make bulk words in Canva that you can use in your digital planner. And the tablet version is a lot different than my laptop version. And so when I go into Canva, it's a learning curve. And you know me, I always want to learn things, and I don't want to just act like it's so easy. We got to have some growing pains, and it's okay. Okay, so let's try this again. I've mastered everything but one thing, and I think the one thing I got to do is leave this pencil alone when I start. All right, because it doesn't do well, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So the first thing we want to do is open up a blank Canva document. So we want to start a new project, and we want to customize it. So I just want a new sheet. So create a design, okay? And I just want it to be custom size. And it doesn't matter, any square would do, because we're not even gonna worry about it. So I think when I learned how to do this, I just did 2000 by 2000, and we create the design. The next thing you want to do is find out what text you want to use. And I have my favorite, if you see my videos. And I do want to show you something real quick, because somebody asked me how to change the colors of these. Where's my favorite one? You know, they update stuff all the time, and then you can't find nothing. We're just searching for a favorite font, and maybe you could just look at all the fonts that Canva has to offer. Okay, there it is. It's called Workout. See right here? So this is my favorite font. I don't know why. I like this. And so what we want to do is I take this off, but you want to ungroup it if you want both of them. But when you're creating words, you might not have 2 words, so you want to trash that one. So this is the one I want. And remember, I told you in my other video, I wanted it straight. I don't like it slanted. If I want it slanted, I'll do that on my own. Now, some people ask me how to change the color, or someone asked me how to change the color. So let me show you. The first thing to do to change that front color, all you do is click here, and you can change the color there. But to change the back color, you got to do the effects. And I think you got to hit these 3 dots and hit effects. And the color change is right here for the background color. Okay, so when you click it the first time, you change it here for the front color, and you change it to the back for the back color. We're going to make the back color pink, because I am doing pink out. So we're going to use that for the pink out. Okay? If that was what you was asking me, if it's not what you was asking, please let me know. But that's not what we're here for. We're going to create all my words for the for my digital planner, okay? Like appointment, dentist, whatever you want to create. What we're going to do is ask Canva to create us a list of words. So you can ask them to create you a list of words too. So we go to projects, and we want to create a new document. And I want to just go to documents. Anybody? Oh, there we go. So once you go to document, we're going to do a new one. And what we want to do is use this magic right, and we're going to ask it to create 50, no, let's say a list. You want it to create a list of 50 words for digital planning. I think that's it. If it's not, I'll work on it. So I think that's good enough, and it's going to generate 50. Look at that. And they even categorized. They never did that before. Focus, mindset, meeting, workflow. They gave it to us all. And so what you want to do is copy them. So I'm going to start right here. And you just want to copy all of this, right? I don't need to, because they're going to make a sheet for each one. We're going to copy this, okay? Now we need to go back to that one that we originally did, projects. And it's the untitled document. There you go. So you have this here. Before we begin, we want to bulk create in a manual. Clear the table. This is where I always have a problem. because on here it doesn't like, see, it's not gonna work. I need the big, that's not what I want to do. See, I want to paste, but the paste tool will not pop up. So you have to paste all the words in the table, but I need the big, and it won't, I'm not, oh, it did it. Okay, good. Now, see if I can, here, return. This is the button to tap it. So you got to make sure you have the big keyboard, and you got to make sure you hit this button. It'll paste all of your words down here, okay? So once you do that, you hit done. Now you can click on this, and it says connect the data. And then you're going to use what you call stickers, and you're going to continue. And look at all y'all words, guys. Look at all your words, and it's going to generate. Look. And now you can change them. So if you wanted tasks, but you wanted it pink, purple, blue, green, all you got to do is click on it, hit here, hit effects, and then you can change pink to whatever color you want. So you have a list of words that you can create, right, to use in your planner. And say you don't want that font, then you would change it, okay? But you were gonna have to use the fonts that's up here, and you can change the, where did it go? See? You can change the font if you don't like it. You gotta decrease the size. And you can play around with the words. You can customize your words. You can do, I think I can use my pencil now. You can do whatever you like. And I like that they categorize them because they hadn't did that before. So, you know, that magic right is very important. So the first thing I did was I have to have one word on a document. Then I have to go to the document and do magic right. Once I magic right, then I save it, and then I bring it in as a bulk create, and it'll create all of my words for me, okay? But here, let me give you another tip. If you want to bulk create, enter manually, you can actually type your own words. So if you want to sit here and say, okay, they were missing a word, you can add those words yourself, okay? So you can create your own table. The second thing you can do is go to Excel, and you or Sheets, Google Sheets, and create your list, and you can bring in that file as well. But I would just do it here. The only thing I think is it don't save it from project to project, because when I go back, I don't see those same bulk create stickers. I think it's just for this particular project that you're working on. All right, and so if you're new here, close this out. The only other thing you want to do, if you wanted all of these inside of your planner, it's a little tricky, but what we're going to do is we're going to hit share, and we're going to download all of these as transparent stickers, PNG, but we're going to send them to our files. So I'm going to create a file as it goes through, and you might not want them all pink. The only downfall, they're all going to be the same, okay? I don't want to save 55 images. I want to go to my files, and I want to just do it on my iPad. So I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call it stickers 2. So I'll know, because I already got 50. I was practicing. I was trying to do this, and I couldn't get it to work. But I got past the part that wouldn't work. It was the bulk create, because I couldn't get it to copy. I didn't know this was the copy button. All right. So we're going to save all of them here. So they're all in my files with a transparent background. So we're going to open up Goodnotes, and we're going to go to today's, today is Wednesday, and it's pink out day at my school. I know I've been saying it all week, but we just honoring women survivors of, oh, what are you doing, Ken? Of pink out. So I'm staying with this same color scheme with this pink. Okay, but that's not what we're here for. So we're going to go to our files, if I can find them, because I didn't change the colors of them. And I'm going to turn my iPad around so we can do dual screen. I'm going to go to my here, and there go my stickers too. But I want them in my element. I want to show you what I've created thus far, some different ideas in a minute. But I want to go to my elements, right? And I want to create a new element. And I'm going to title it stickers again, because I think that's all. What are you doing? There we go. Stickers, right? It don't matter what you call it. And then we want to open up the stickers you want to bring. And then you want to select all. And you're going to just kind of like hover your hand around and you're going to bring them jokers over. Girl, I love it. I love it. And now you have a set of words that you can use, okay? And then you just hit create, of course. So let me show you some that I've created thus far. You don't need this anymore. You can delete that or keep it however you want to do it. And if you didn't want to put them in your elements, don't forget, you can just bring them over. Now, the only thing you have to do is crop them, right? They have to be cropped. Done. There you go. And you can do whatever you want with it. And you don't have to use this design. You could have used any design that I had. The one thing I didn't do, and we need to make sure we understand, you need to check every word. I didn't do that because if it's more than one word, or if the word time management is fine, you have to make sure that it's not cut off. Tools, oh, they did a good job this time. Sometimes you have to like stretch it out. That's all I'm saying. I don't know. App, software, template, they came with it. We did bullet journal, checklist. I'm trying to see one. It might be set up, where you had to expand it, but that's it. Just make sure you check every one and it's the way you want it. You can customize the colors as you want them as well, okay? So the next thing I told you I wanted to do is just show you some that I've created when I was practicing. I don't see them on here. They were like all black. I don't think that's it. No. I don't know where they at. Because they were like, they were just black. Oh, I put some stuff in folders. I've been trying to put stuff in folders. There they go. There they go. Look at me. Okay, so this is the morning routine ones. Another set. I was playing with that font. They came out like this. This is how all of mine are. So they was like, these are the words that I used. And you don't have to take them all. You can delete the ones you don't want, customize, change the words around. But these are the ones, I'm not going to go through all of that. And then I was playing with the beginning of just changing fonts and seeing what I like. Okay? And so if I just need a word, you could come through and look and find it and just export that one page. Okay? And if you do that, you hit share, save. Instead of doing all of them, you take it off and only click the one you want. Just make sure you hit that transparent background, okay? And so that's one set. And then the other one I made was these. See how they got the black and the white? But again, you could click on this and you can change the font. You don't have to keep it that. See, now. And then you hit the effects to change the background. So you could just make one word at a time. Close this out, hit the effects, and then that's where you change the background to pink because it's pink out week, whatever the case may be. But mine were all black. And then you would export them the same way, guys. And so I don't have a bulk, and I'm going to just show you real quick. If you go to bulk, create, and you click on here, I don't have any words in it. It doesn't save what I had. So when you go to do it, it's not going to say connect the data because you don't have no words there. You got to create the words each project, okay? Now, if you saved it as a, let me show you. I have a stick. See how I saved them as an Excel document? Then you can use them over and over again because I already did these. Continue and see, here it is, and there they go. So now I'm able to come back and I'm able to, what am I doing? You got to come off of it. And now I can connect the data, I hope. Oh, I didn't hit create design, generate. And so, see what I was talking about, how remember is messed up? You gonna have to, that's what I mean by, y'all know my fingers don't work. That's not what I want to do. I'm trying to bring it out. There we go. See how I had to fix it? That's what I'm talking about. See, I got some good mess ups to do. If you like it like that, that's fine. But if you don't, y'all know my fingers be, come on here. You gotta stretch them out. I'm not doing it all on here. But see how they bunched it up. There you go. So now I could use this to help me, and then I would export them in just like I needed to. And if you only wanted to do one, then you could. I want one to say work. Does that say what? That says tomorrow. This says goals. And so I'm just going to duplicate a page. Well, I don't want it to be way down here, but let's just duplicate a page, and I'm going to put work, and I'm going to use that today. So you can just duplicate a page as well, and then just change, come on, baby, change it to work, right? Because, you know, I like my work sticker. And then we're going to share it, save, and this time that's page 2. The current page is always highlighted. So you untap and you do this one, transparent, download. Save the image this time because I'm just going to use it. It says it's completed. Let's see. So then when I come back for my daily, I'm up here. Let's say to do. Did it save? Sometimes this can't go too fast. Page 3 says, oh, I was clicked on page 3. Sorry. I need page 2, transparent. But I could use to do as well. Current page 2 only. There we go. Save. Complete. Now come here, and we're going to put the work one. I like to crop mine down. And we done. I don't know if I like that font, but I don't like that too much. But it's fine, because I feel like the words need to be up, and I don't want it that thick. But let's see. I don't like that on the page, but hey. Maybe I like the to-do one that says work as well. I don't know why they made 2 copies. They do put them in your pictures too, and I just delete them. And that's it, guys. I hope you stay with me this long. I'm not going to make you stay here while I do my daily, but I'm going to do a daily. I might film it on a separate video, but if not, I appreciate you. I hope you learned something. I hope you plan around with it. See if you can create your own stickers if you got time. It don't take that long, especially if you're just doing 1 or 2. But it's just some toolbox, some tool things. One day you might want to use it, and you'll think about this video, and you'll come back and you'll watch it again. So until next time, guys, y'all know the deal. Happy planning.